Samantha loved pizza more than almost anything else in the world. After a long week at work, her Friday night ritual was simple: pajamas, a movie, and a giant pizza delivered right to her door. She always ordered the same thing: pepperoni with extra cheese. This particular Friday, she was feeling daring. When the online ordering app asked if she wanted extra cheese, Samantha tapped the button not once, but several times. A tiny notification popped up. Extra cheese selected. She didn't stop. She clicked again, then again. By the time she was done, she had hit it at least 7 times. Perfect, she muttered. I want this pizza to be drowning in cheese. 30 minutes later, the doorbell rang. Samantha rushed to the door, money in hand, practically giddy. The delivery driver gave her an odd look as he handed over the box. It felt strangely heavy, but Samantha barely noticed. She was too excited. She carried it to the table, grabbed a plate, and opened the box with the joy of a kid on Christmas morning. Then she froze. There was no pizza, at least not in the way she expected. Inside the box was a bubbling, gooey, golden brown mountain of melted cheese. No crust, no sauce, no toppings. Just a thick, gelatinous slab of cheese that filled the entire box. Samantha blinked. What? It was as if the chef had taken her request literally. You want only cheese? Fine, only cheese. At first, she thought maybe the crust and sauce were buried underneath. She poked at the molten layer with a fork. Nope, just more cheese, stretching endlessly like edible lava. She tried another corner. Still cheese. It was cheese all the way down. Her phone buzzed with a text from the restaurant confirming. 1 large extra cheese. Samantha groaned. They didn't give me pizza. They gave me dairy. Still, hunger gnawed at her. She scooped a portion onto her plate. The cheese stretched and clung, refusing to let go. By the time she wrestled a chunk free, it looked like a deflated balloon made entirely of mozzarella. She took a bite. It was warm. It was gooey. It was overwhelming. Halfway through her plate, Samantha realized she had made a terrible mistake. Cheese was delicious, but without crust or sauce to balance it. It was like eating a hot, salty brick. Her friend Claire called just then. Hey, how's pizza night? Samantha sighed. I don't have pizza. I have cheese. Just cheese. Claire laughed so hard she nearly dropped the phone. We too ordered a cheese pizza and they sent you only cheese. No, I ordered extra cheese. And apparently they took that as an invitation to skip everything else. The story didn't stay private for long. Claire posted it online. My friend ordered extra cheese and got a pizza made of only cheese. Behold the cheesepocalypse. Within hours, the photo of Samantha's cheese box went viral. People debated whether it was the restaurant's fault or Samantha's for clicking extra cheese too many times. Memes popped up. Crust is temporary. Cheese is eternal. Sauce, overrated. Behold the purest form of pizza. She asked for lactose, and the universe delivered. By Saturday morning, the pizzeria's phone lines were flooded with prank calls. Dozens of people were asking to order the cheese-only special. The owner had to release a statement. We do not recommend ordering without crust or sauce. That was an accident. Samantha, meanwhile, was left with a refrigerator full of leftover cheese slabs. For days, she tried to repurpose it: grilled cheese, mac and cheese, cheese soup. By the 4th day, she couldn't even look at dairy without feeling queasy. And yet, despite her lactose-filled suffering, she couldn't help but laugh. She had wanted extra cheese. She'd gotten exactly what she asked for, just far more literally than she ever imagined. From that day on, whenever she ordered pizza, Samantha was careful to select normal cheese. And whenever her friends teased her about it, she simply shrugged. Hey, she said, at least I made internet history. 1 block of cheese at a time.